Well, the mayor was not named in the Department of Justice's recently filed lawsuit against New York and others over immigration enforcement. Alice Gaynor is here with details on the lawsuit.
And isn't that interesting? He wasn't named, neither was the city, because last week the Justice Department filed a lawsuit against Illinois and the city of Chicago, alleging their laws hindered immigration enforcement. And you may remember acting U.S. Deputy Attorney General Emil Bovee instructed Justice Department prosecutors across the country to focus on enacting President Trump's immigration policies, telling them they should potentially charge officials standing in the way. The 16-page complaint lists the state of New York, the state's Department of Motor Vehicles Commissioner, Governor Kathy Hochul, and State Attorney General Letitia James as defendants. Attorneys representing the United States are seeking a judgment that finds New York's green light laws are unlawful and unenforceable, and they want the defendants barred from enforcing it, writing, immigration authorities depend on these records to assess real-time the situations they face and the people they encounter. New York's green light law, in effect since 2019, allows undocumented immigrants in the state to get driver's licenses and prohibits the DMV from sharing information with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The law was enacted partly to lower the number of uninsured people driving and improve safety on the roads, since some people drive without a license and without ever having taken a road test. In her first press conference since taking office, Attorney General Pam Bondi said this yesterday.
New York has chosen to prioritize illegal aliens over American citizens. It stops today.
A spokesperson for Governor Hochul released a statement that reads in part, quote, "We expect Pam Bondi's worthless, publicity-driven lawsuit to be a total failure, just like all the others. Let me be clear, New York is not backing down." AG Tish James said in part, quote, "Our state laws, including the green light law, protect the rights of all New Yorkers and keep our communities safe." Now, in the lawsuit, Attorney General Pam Bondi points to the DMV commissioner being required to inform undocumented immigrants when a federal immigration agency has requested their information. Now, Governor Hochul says the green light law has been upheld by the courts, quote, time and time again, and that she's not letting federal agents or Elon Musk's, quote, shadowy DOJ operation get uncontrolled access to personal information of people in the system like 16-year-olds and others. Cindy?
Alice, New York City is not the only, well, New York isn't the only state with the green light law.
That's right. There's about 19 states total, and Washington state actually was the first to enact such legislation, and that dates back all the way to 1993.
All right. Alice, thank you very much.